Hello, welcome everyone. In today's meditation session, we will be talking about walking meditation. Most part of our day, we do some kind of movements. We walk around, we move around the house, we go do errands, and we most part of our day we do some kind of movements of walking. So this walking meditation is a formal practice where you do this practice of walking very mindfully with all your awareness. And if we do walking meditation regularly, it helps to get a mindfulness, strengthen our mindfulness, and bring great amount of awareness to all our daily activities. So sometimes what happens is you are too much overwhelmed, or it's you are having too much of energy to do a formal sitting meditation practice. So that time walking meditation can be a good alternative. So how we do, I will explain to you how we do walking meditation. We'll listen to the instructions, and then you can set a timer for yourself for say 10, 15 or 20 minutes, and you can do walking meditation. uh, Science also shows that regularly doing walking meditation helps alleviate stress, as well as help reduce high blood pressure, uh, and it's really good for health and well-being. So first you select some distance, either inside your house or outside, some where you can take from anywhere from 10 to 25 or 30 steps back and forth. Walking meditation, it's not like going for a walk, but it's walking back and forth certain steps. And while walking back and forth, you become fully aware of the movements of your legs, movements of your body, and the sensation that are present in a body, and particularly sensations present in your foot, in your legs. So as you start this meditation, first you stand at one place, bring full awareness inside your body, and very mindfully and with a speed that is comfortable to you, not very fast or not very slow. You take steps uh, one at a time, and you walk back and forth. So while taking these steps, you can gently note to yourself, like when you are lifting your leg, you are moving, you are placing your one leg, then the another leg. That time you bring your whole attention behind the sensation or movements of your leg, and you can also mentally note it, like lifting, moving, placing, lifting, moving, placing. And the noting has to be very lightly, means the goal is to feel the movement, to feel the sensation, to feel the movement of lifting, to feel the movement of moving, to feel the movement of placing. So you can do this noting to bring your attention to the sensation and movement of your legs, and you walk back and forth this thing. So it's very important to understand the difference between noting and feeling. So noting has to be very lightly to feel the movements. For example, if I say mentally, if I say move your hand through the air, and listen, you can do this experiment along with me. You can say move your hand through the air, and feel how it feels when you think this thought. And next thing, without thinking this thought, you gently move your hand like this, and now you can feel how it feels. So there is really difference between thinking and actually doing things in the body. So that feeling, so the goal is to bring your attention between towards your body, towards your leg, and feel the sensation and movements inside your body. And while you are doing this, anytime your mind wanders, a thought, image, a planning, something comes to your mind, whenever you come to know that your mind is thinking, gently note it, let it go, and begin again. This walking meditation strengthens our concentration, strengthens our focus, and it's very calming to our body and to ourselves, and it brings a great deal of mindfulness to all our daily activities. So as you start this meditation, you can put a timer for say 15 minutes or any time that is comfortable to you, and you can decide a certain space where you can walk back and forth for 15 to 20 steps at a time. You stand still, you bring your attention to your body, and you can bring gentle attention to your intention to practice this meditation, bringing awareness to the bodily sensations of your movements, of your walking, and particularly bringing attention to your soles of your feet or to your legs. You can start walking, and you can, while walking, gently note like lifting, moving, placing, lifting, moving, placing, and you can be fully aware while you are walking back and forth. And remember, it doesn't matter how many times mind gets distracted, you get lost. Any time that you decide that you understand that mind is being lost, you gently let it go and start doing, and gently bring your attention to the movements of your legs, walking back and forth one step at a time. If a thought comes where you are still aware of your movements and the thought is there, you can keep your awareness, your attention to the movements of your body walking, your legs walking. So as the teacher Thich Nhat Hanh says, like, fully be fully present while you are walking, without walk like you are fully alive, without thinking of a past or thinking of a future, being fully present at the moment of this movement, and bringing your whole attention to the process of walking. You can really enjoy this walking meditation, and if you practice this meditation, please let me know how it goes for you. All the best. Thank you.